Hey everyone! Hey, I was wanting to share with you another favorite product. This is the Timewise Repair Revealing Radiance Facial Peel. So I absolutely love this product. It's an exfoliator. It's a chemical exfoliator using a product called glycolic acid. Now they did a study with 45 women that in 2 weeks they saw results in 2 weeks where their skin looked brighter, the skin texture was improved, there was fine lines and wrinkles looked reduced. Hi April! Skin tone looked more even, and just using it consistently. Consistency is the key. Anyway, how does it work? So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna open it up like this, and it has a pump, and I'm just gonna put some on here. I'm just going to gently massage it into my skin. Now you want to avoid your eye area. And so I'm just going to keep my glasses on. And I'm going to put it all over. Now you want to make sure you wash your face and then it's dried, like pat dried. Don't put this on a wet face because it will not be as effective. And I only know that because I didn't read the directions the first time. And then it wasn't quite the results I wanted. And then I read the directions. So here we go. I'm just going to do this. So what else does it do? So how it works is the glycolic acid, I have my notes right here, it goes to work immediately removing the dead skin cells from the skin's top surface layer. And then it also works on the remaining surface layers, and it breaks apart the bonds connecting those dead cells so they can be released and more plumper, fresher cells can grow and be right in their place. So that's basically how it works. So the result is it smooths out skin, with those hills and valleys associated with the drier, rougher skin, and it feels really great. So you would put it on and leave it on for about 10 minutes. And then you would just wash it off with warm water, and it just feels really smooth. And then when you wash it off, it just really makes your skin feel really polished. So when you use other products like our microdermabrasion, it gives you that polished feel as well, but it has more of the more of the gritty exfoliation. Where this is what's using it is the glycolic acid, so that's the difference. So I'm going to let this stay on for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to take it off. So I just wanted to share that because I wanted to do that tonight, and I thought I'd share one of my favorite products. Okay, so that is the Timewise Repair Revealing Radiance Facial Peel. So if you want a sample, let me know and we can try it together. All right, I'd love to hear how you like it. All right, thanks. Bye.